How are you all? I hope you all are fine and studying at home. So student, today in this video we'll be learning the topic multiplication. You all know what is multiplication. Multiplication is a repetitive addition. It is the shortest way of finding the sum when all addends are the same. So in this video, we'll be learning about the properties of multiplication. We'll also be learning how to multiply a number by a 2-digit or a 3-digit multiplier. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 10. Here, 2 has been added 5 times. We write 2 5 times is 10. In short, we write it 5 into 2 is equals to 10. Each of the number 5 and 2 is called a factor and the number 10 is called the product. Properties of multiplication. Property 1. Order property of multiplication. If the order of the factor is changed, the product does not change. For example, 4 into 5 is equals to 4 5, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is equals to 20. 5 into 4 is equals to 5 fours, that is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is also equals to 20. Property 2. Grouping property of multiplication. If the grouping of the factor is changed, the product does not change. Let us take one example. 2 into 4 into 3 is equals to 8 into 3 is equals to 24. Change the grouping and write 2 into 4 into 3 is equals to 2 into 12 is equal to 24. Therefore, 2 into 4 into 3 is equal to 2 into 4 into 3. Property 3. Zero property of multiplication. If 0 is one of the factors, the product is 0. For example, 0 into 4, that is, if 0 is multiplied by any number, the product is 0. So, 0 into 4 is equals to 0. 7 into 0, that is, any number is multiplied by 0, also gives the product as 0. So, 7 into 0 is equals to 0. Similarly, 2 into 3 into 4 into 0 also gives the product as 0. Property 4. One property of multiplication. If a number is multiplied by 1, the product is equal to that number. For example, 8 into 1 is equals to 8, that is, a number when multiplied by 1 gives the number as the product. 1 into 6 is equals to 6, that is, if 1 is multiplied by any other number, it also gives the product as 6. Property 5. Multiplication distributes over addition. For example, multiply 5 into 12. To make this multiplication easier, the bigger number can be split into two numbers, that is 5 into 10 plus 2. Now multiply 5 separately by the two numbers, that is 5 into 10 and 5 into 2. Now we get the product as 50 and 10. Add both the numbers 50 and 10 to get the final product, which is equals to 60. Multiplication of 3 and 4 digit number by 3 digit number. Today, let us learn the multiplication of 3 and 4 digit numbers by a 3 digit number. Let us begin with the multiplication of 359 and 243. We can divide the whole process into 4 steps. Step 1. Multiply 359 by the ones digit of the multipliers, that is 3. 9 into 3 is equals to 27. 5 into 3 is equals to 15 plus the carried over 2 is equals to 17. Now 3 into 3 is equals to 9 plus the carried over 1, which is equals to 10. We will call 1077 as the first partial product. Step 2. Multiply 359 by the digit in the tens place of the multiplier, that is 4. As the digit 4 is in the tens place of the multiplier, we are actually multiplying 359 by 40. So, we write a 0 below the digit 7 of the first partial product. Next, 9 into 4 is equals to 36. Now, 5 into 4 is equals to 20 plus the carried over 3 is equals to 23. Next, 3 into 4 is equals to 12 plus the carried over 2 is equals to 14. So we get 14,360 as the second partial product. Step 3. Now multiply 359 by the digit in the 100 place of the multiplier, that is 2. As the digit 2 is in the 100 place of the multiplier, we are actually multiplying 359 by 200. So, we write a 0 below the digit 0 and 6 of the second partial product. Next, 9 into 2 is equals to 18. Now, multiply 5 into 2, which is equals to 10 plus the carried over 1, which is equals to 11. Then 3 into 2 is equals to 6 plus the carried over 1 is equals to 7. So we get 71,800 as the third partial product. Step 4. Now add the three partial product obtained, that is 1077 plus 14,360 plus 71,800 to get the answer, which is equals to 87,237. Now let us try one more question. We'll find the product of 3,247 by 108. Let us multiply 3,247 by the ones digit of the multiplier, that is 8. 7 into 8 is equals to 56. 4 into 8 is equals to 32 plus the carried over 5 is equals to 37. 2 into 8 is equals to 16 plus the carried over 3 is equals to 19. And lastly, 3 into 8 is equals to 24 plus the carried over 1 is equals to 25. We will call 25,976 as the first partial product. Next, we multiply 3,247 by the tens digit of the multiplier 108, as the digit 0 is in the tens place of the multiplier. We are actually multiplying 3,247 by 0. So, we write a 0 below the digit 6 of the first partial product. Next, 7 into 0 is equals to 0. 4 into 0 is equals to 0. 2 into 0 is equals to 0. Then 3 into 0 is equals to 0. So, we get 0 as the second partial product. Now, multiply 3,247 by the 100 digit of 108, that is 1. As the digit 1 is in the 100 place of the multiplier, we are actually multiplying 3,247 by 100. So, we write a 0 below the digit 0 and 0 of the second partial product. Now, 7 into 1 is equals to 7. 4 into 1 is equals to 4. 2 into 1 is equals to 2. Now, 3 into 1 is equals to 3. So, we get 3,24,700 as the third partial product. Now, add the three partial product obtained. That is 25,976 plus 0 plus 3,24,700 to get the answer, which is equals to 3,50,676. Remember students, there will be as many partial product as there are digits in the multiplier. Wasn't it easy? learning multiplication of 3 and 4 digit numbers by a 3 digit numbers. Today, let us solve some multiplication story problems and also revise how to write the statements. A water tank supplies 25 lakh 3,854 liters of water to Hilltop Society every day. How many liters of water are used by the society in the month of February 2013? Now, to understand the problem well and to know how to write the statement, ask these questions. What is 25 lakh 3,854 and what is 28? The answers to these questions will help us to form the statement for the solution. 25 lakh 3,854 liters of water was supplied to Hilltop Society every day. So we write the statement as amount of water supplied in liters every day. 25 lakh 3,854. Now 28 are the number of days in the month of February 2013. So, we write the statement as total number of days as 28. Let us multiply these numbers together to get the product which will be our answer. First, we'll multiply 25 lakh 3,854 by 8 and then we'll be multiplying 25 lakh 3,854 by 2. Our answer is 7 crore 1 lakh 7,912 liters of water were supplied to the society in the month of February 2013. Let us solve one more multiplication story. Simran earns rupees 15,893 every month. How much does she earn in a year? Here, we need to ask the question, what is 15,893? What is 12? To write the statement. Now, let us begin to solve the problem. Money earned every month rupees 15,893. Number of months in a year equals to 12. Now, let us multiply these numbers to get the answer. First, we'll multiply 15,893 by 2 and we'll get 31,786. Next, we'll multiply 15,893 by 1. We'll get 1,58,930 and our total is 1,90,716. So, Simran earns rupees 1,90,716 in a year. Wow! We learn solving multiplication story and writing statements so quickly.